Hi, good morning, one and all. Today can go for very important topic that is Entamoeba histolytica. So many times IP pattern for 8 mark questions they can ask this question, and also for MSET point of view and also for NEET point of view it is very important. See, Entamoeba histolytica is under the phylum of Protozoa, under the subphylum of Sarcomastigophora, and the class is the Rhizopodia. See, enta indicates within cell lopala లేదా tissue లోపల within. Amoeba indicates change the shape. Histo indicates tissue. Lysis indicates dissolve or damage. That's why Entamoeba histolytica is a microscopic monogenetical parasites. It means it can complete their life cycle in a single host, that is known as a monogenital parasites, that inhabits ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది, that is present in the large intestine and causes a disease that is called as a amoeba dysentery or amoebiasis. See, the great King Royal Sri Krishna Devaraya is died with amoebiasis. At the time there is no perfect medicine. The mode of infection, it is through mechanical vectors. It indicates the mode of infection is through the contaminated food and drinking water. And houseflies and cockroaches remaining so many insects, they can acting as a mechanical vector. I already said differentiation between the mechanical vector and biological vector. It is the cosmopolitan distribution. It can be present in anywhere. Mostly it is affected with tropical and subtropical regions. For completing of the Entamoeba histolytica life cycle, they having a 3 stages is present: ట్రోపోజాయిడ్ స్టేజ్, ప్రీసిస్టిక్ స్టేజ్, సిస్టిక్ స్టేజ్. మీరు ఎక్కడైనా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, ఏ సైకిల్ అయినా సరే, మనం చెప్పుకునే ప్లాస్మోడియం వైవాక్స్ కానీ ఆస్కారిస్ కానీ ఎక్కడైనా సరే, ట్రోపోజాయిడ్ స్టేజ్ అంటే తినే స్టేజ్ అని అర్థం, ఫీడింగ్ స్టేజ్. దట్స్ వై ద ఫస్ట్ స్టేజ్ ఇస్ వాట్? ట్రోపోజాయిడ్, ప్రీసిస్టిక్, సిస్టిక్ స్టేజ్. First we can go for the tropozoid stage. See, tropozoid stage is most active, motile and feeding and a pathogenetical stage for a host that lives in the mucosa and submucosa of the large intestine. That's why it is what is the characteristics of the tropozoid stage? It is a motile one and it is a feeding stage. And it is the pathogenetic stage where it will be living mucosa and submucosa of the intestine. And then see, in tropozoid stage they can form a pseudopodia. This is the pseudopodia. This pseudopodia called as a lobopodia in Entamoeba histolytica. This is the ectoplasm and this one is the endoplasm. Ectoplasm is the non-granules. ఇక్కడ ఏమైనా గ్రాన్యూల్స్ ఉన్నాయా? లేవు, నాన్ గ్రాన్యూల్స్. Endoplasm having a granules. That's why you see here, it moves with the help of single blunt finger-like projection that is called as a pseudopodia. Here the pseudopodia is called as a lobopodium. The body of tropozoite is surrounded by the plasma lemma. Surrounded by what? Plasma lemma.